Hey everybody, this is episode 3 in season 2 for Long Truck and Friends. So, this episode is called Bone Shaker Goes to the Repair Shop. Please enjoy. One beautiful day in Hot Wheels in Matchbox City, Blue Tow Truck was towing Bone Shaker to the repair shop, and then came Medium Red Truck. Hi, Blue Tow Truck. Hi, Medium Red Truck. What's up? Oh, nothing much. So what are you doing? Well, I'm towing Bone Shaker to the repair shop because he has a flat tire. Okay. And then came green car and yellow car. Oh, hi, yellow car. Hi. Hi, Bone Shaker. What's up? Well, I'm gonna go to the repair shop. Okay. When they got to the repair shop, okay, we're here. So let's do this. Okay, now you stay there until you get fixed up. Okay? Alright, goodbye. Tow truck, you're going so fast. You better stop, or else you're about to hit white car. Oh, really? Yes. Look, he's coming. Oh no! He slammed on his brakes, but it was too late. Blue tow truck had crashed right into white car. Oh, I'm so sorry, white car. I didn't mean to bump into you. Are you okay? I'm okay, but don't hit me again. Okay. I'll say, goodbye. Alright, guys, let's go. Stay tuned for episode 4 that will come out on April 18th. So, goodbye.